Hey there films, family and friends. Another exciting tips and tricks from films marketing. You probably have watched my previous video. I gave a lot of guru style landing and squish pages. I'm not that kind of person who let you encounter many more problems in your journey. But you may also ask, what is the purpose of doing this? While other platforms are letting us do the things much more easily. Actually, that's not quite true. Well, the limit the forms building, but in Google you can build unlimited and unlimited hosting, unlimited niche leads for yours and for your business. Now then, it should make sense, right? So what will I do today? Well, the first thing first, we need to optimize images from uploading for the sites, which it will be otherwise slower. I will be showing you step by step how to take my $500 design and host right to the Google Drive inbox. If you haven't watched my video of the giveaway, click on the right top of the video. Secondly, I'll do some text modification using simple HTML and CSS code. After that, I'll be adding my PayPal link to the page so that I can receive payment for my sales page. This is much more critical because of the people said it wrongly and they can't receive money. You might ask, hey man, how about squish pages that you gave away? Is it just a matter of hosting only and finished the entire process, isn't it? Oh no, of course not. There are critical things and I will go through together today. We'll link our privacy policy page, terms of use page, and many more other things. These are the obligation to put into your website and sales pages. Then we'll definitely need to collect the leads. This is one of the big challenges here for beginner, but don't worry, I'll cover them up step by step. If you follow step by step, you shouldn't have any problem. Just comments for any questions you have. I will be happy to help you. For the lead collection, I will be using the free email service provider called Email Out. You may use the MailChimp and any other platforms and store all of your email addresses there. The sites are almost pretty much the same. If you wanna get Google to collect the leads directly, definitely you can. I have shown that in another video. I'll leave the link to the end screen for you to watch that. There will be an automation email set after the email is submitted. So get ready to do the entire things and learn. So stick with me. Coming back after the intro, guys. Guys, let's start the tutorial. Okay, the first of all, let's go to my folder and let's say you will receive this landing page here like this. Okay, this landing page with the compressed file, so we have to unzip it. Let's unzip this. Extract here, yes to all, extract it and then open the file. We've got free Among them, one is called squish page, sales page, graphics folder, and the ebook. So squish page folder, let's open it, and we will see one index file over there, and style.css, that means is CSS file, and then one is image folder. So let's open this index folder, index file. Here we go. Let's close the previous one we have opened so that it will be easier for us to work. As we can see, this is the quite nice page, but they have quiz pages to collect the email address of our client, of our particular niche people, okay, they're interested in. So we'll be giving them the bribe, something like giving them some ebook training or something else like this, and then we will collect the mail from them. So in order to collect the mail, we have to collect this page into automation, to collect this page into MailChimp or any other platform. So I've chosen one of them to collect the mail automatically and store our email address. Store their email address, those will be putting to collect the mail automatically, and store our email address. Store their email address, those will be putting the name and email address here. So we have chosen the email out. Okay, so let's type the email out. Email out. Just press free email marketing software by email out. Let's go into it. Accept. And you don't have, you just get one from here, or you can go to the MailChimp as well. It's up to you. Let's log into there. Let's get this to my another signed up page that have stored my password there. Here, okay, let's log in. This is the dashboard, and then we'll directly go through to the forms, because we'll be embed the forms code from this email out to our page, to our squish page, so that anybody put into the email address, we can directly collect the store the email to this email out and sending the free email to them. So let's go down to the forms and click onto the form, and then there we go. They already have created the code for us. We'll take this code, but yeah, let's copy it. Copy this code. We'll be getting this form here, this form there at this side here. Okay, let's try. If you want to try how it will work, then we can put our email address and subscribe, and there we go. We'll be go to this thank you page, and say return to our website, then let's click to return to our website. Here we have back to here again, and then we'll be copying this code and put onto our squish page. So our squish page was here, this squish page here. We can do it two ways. Let's do it like this. First of all, I'll be copying this to our notepad, the code. We have copied the code to the notepad, and then we'll open this page with the Notepad++, so that it's easier for us to code and do the amendment. So go to the folder there and then open with Notepad++. If you don't have one, you just get a Notepad++ to edit the code in future. That would be easier. Here we have opened it. Let's see the task here. So the task is like this. Copy this submit, because we'll be submitting the form there. If you click onto the submit, then you see right now the page is not working. Requires field are missing. Okay, right now say required fields are missing. So let's get into put into our name and email address. See what does it say. Put in your email address, and I put my email address there. Let's submit it. Wow, mailing list not active. Okay, so in order to collect the mailing list, we have to put in the code, edit the code. Okay, mailing list not active. Okay, so in order to collect the mailing list, we have to put in the code, edit the code. Okay, that's what we are going to do now. So this code is not a rocket science. Just copy and paste simply. It's very easier. Okay, so we'll be go to the Control F here and then search for submit. Find next. There we go. So the easiest way is to determine which one and where we'll put the code is. So before we go to the replacement, I'm gonna replace this code with some of the additional feature, because as you can see in the email out, the feature is this field here, email address, the box below. It might currently you can't see anything, right? People wouldn't really know where they need to fill, because this filling box was to be a little bit darker so that people know, wow, this is the box, and put the email address there. Right now, if you see like this, it seems like if you see like this, it seems like I don't know how much you can see, but for me, not much visible. So I want to make this box a little bit visible to everyone. Okay, So let's get it done. So I chose the code already. Which one will be putting might be here, or you just go to the new website, you just type there something like, go to this website there, okay, and choose any of the code you like. Let's say I wanna put a little bit darker there, or you can go to this code here, whatever you want. I wanna go to matching with the previous one, but I want a little bit darker only. So go to here, copy this code, go to this website and copy this code there, and then paste into here. Paste into this notepad code there. We're gonna don't find anything there. We'll have to read a little bit. This is the code of the box of filling boxes there, you see. On top is CSS, below is HTML and CSS code combined here. So we'll be editing this about CSS code. Display, we don't need to read that kind of thing. We just replace this code here, because we can see 100% maximum width, 400 pixels, and the border or that kind of thing, 1 pixel solid color. We'll be replacing this code there. Replace the code, okay. And then the second thing is we don't really want to put our terms and condition at the below, just the bottom of the email collection there, because people will be diverted from here if they click here, and then they might not come back, okay. So in order to take it off, we have to edit the code there. So here we go, write the privacy and policy. Let's see, find the code. Cannot find. Never mind, close that. See if I can find manually, or go to there, copy privacy policy, and then we come back to the code, paste it, find it, there we go. Okay, because it's copy and paste is easier to find the task into the code. Okay, so there we go. We wanna take it off. So in order to take off here privacy policy, we take off from this A tag, closing A tag, to the close up to this up to here, or this task. I agree to receive the periodic communication via email in accordance, up to there. Never mind, close it out, delete. Then now you wouldn't see any more this privacy policy, and we have deleted age of this task. So copy this code here, and then we will be pasting them into the here. So the question is where we'll be pasting. Okay, we are embedding the form. So we'll see the form tags here. If you click onto the forms, and it will give us the direction, the forms start here and forms closed. So delete this. Where's that? Yeah, up to there. So delete them and directly replace, paste. There we go. We just paste. There we go. We just save it. And before we go to the page, we want to see if we need anything else to edit. Here we have replaced this form there, and anything else here we see, there we go, the your company or website. Okay, we'll be replacing this one as well. So go to the my code and go to the footer, your company and name website. Here you can straight away see, no need to search anything there. I want to replace my company name, let's say soft pro dot my shopify.com. That means it will tell us that shopro.myshopify.com is the alright result. Okay, 2021. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna save it. I press the Ctrl S. You can go to here, this save button there, or go to the file and save, up to you. And there we have saved the file into the folder there, this one. So before we open this file now, let's close the previous one, or let's open it and then we can compare. Okay, let's open it. There we go. We have replaced the box. You see, right now it's quite visible. People can see your need to email address putting here, and then they just directly click there. And the subscribe button. After that, we have replaced the bottom task. How cool is that? And easily we have done that, right? So these quiz pages, after that we'll be adding this. After that we'll be copying the file to our drive folder. Okay, let's